What is up, everybody? So I'm in my SkittleFabs workshop downstairs basement of my apartment.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
And I have been cleaning a lot and organizing, posting things up on SkittleFabs Instagram to let everybody know what parts I still have available. If you are a familiar person with Instagram, I have a highlight parts for sale, and I also have another highlight caliber parts. I'm posting up everything I'm pretty much not needing anymore. Like, I have a few things over here. I'm gonna start from left to right, alright? I have 2 stock brackets for the Neon SRT-4, and I also have one that's modified right there. If anybody's interested, you can go ahead and DM me through SkittleFabs Facebook or Instagram for any item you see down here that I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that is up for sale. You can see over here I have a driver's side Neon SRT-4 headlight, and I have 2 taillights that are tinted. They're a little crack on the top right there and on the bottom, but I'll let those go for cheap. The driver's side isn't that bad. They just need to be cleaned up. I can go ahead and clean them up for you guys. Old braided line that I'm going to be doing videos on, because this is the stainless steel braided line and I converted over to nylon. I also picked up a few more things from Indie Auto Parts. My 5663 Big Turbo Garrett, I'm possibly going to send that out to have repowder coated and rebuilt. This is my exhaust system. This is my O2 housing, flux pipe, test pipe, and cat. All V-band. I do want to convert my turbo over to V-band, but we'll see. I do have a V-band clamp with a 4-bolt flange. I forget exactly where that goes. This is my AGP log manifold. I just need to go ahead and sandblast it and get gaskets. I gotta order 2 more gaskets. I do have an exhaust gasket, but I don't think I have these ones. And I'll be upgrading my dump tube that is too small. I was surging out at 22 pounds on this AGP dump tube. I gotta ship that. I gotta ship that also. Multifunctional switches for the Neon, and I also have the interior power outlet and rear defrost button. So if anybody's interested and needs one of these, I got that. And under here, I have a lot of caliber parts. Alright, let's just go ahead and take this off. I have my oil pan, which has about 20-ish thousand miles. Nothing is wrong with that. It's not even rusted at all. Intake box with a fairly new filter. It has about maybe 5 miles on it. You have the thermostat manifold right here, which has about less than 30,000 miles. We have the plastic ESP hazard and passenger side airbag buttons for the center console. I have a clock spring, which I got at the junkyard in good working condition. I just thought replacing my original clock spring would fix my no fuse, but if you haven't seen that video, the no fuse fix, I'll leave it at the top right of the screen. I have the HVAC controls, which are in great condition. I have ARP head studs, AGP wastegate actuator, timing components, evap solenoid that I sealed. That video is at the top right of the screen. I have OEM throttle bodies, 2 of them, one with 20,000 miles and one with 30,000. And then I have a Dorman also, which is a little bit cheaper, but all of them have no issue. OEM alternator, which has about 15,000 miles or less. OEM starter, 15,000 miles or less. The original OEM turbo and manifold. I did take off the stock wastegate actuator and I sold that already. And that's just some of the parts that I have. I know that's a lot of parts right there just in general, but I still have parts over there. And then I have parts over here for the Neon, parts over there for the Neon. And I'm going through this box because more caliber parts. more neon parts over here that I'm just trying to get rid of. I got 2 O2 housings for the caliber. I got one that's gutted and one that's stock. I have the turbo cooler right there with the lines. I can also sell that with the turbo. I got the gauge cluster that came out of my caliber with the housing. I also have this one right here that I purchased, thinking my gauge cluster might have been messed up because of the no fuse, but it wasn't that either. There you go. So if you guys are interested in a gauge cluster, I got that. The stock intake manifold, nav, 6-disc CD changer. I have another TIPM 007 AC, stock ECU. I got the radiator with the AC condenser still mounted to it, and the fans. We got the valve cover right here with all its hardware still, and gaskets. All these parts that I have, you guys, I will be cleaning up before I go ahead and package them up and ship them to you guys, so don't worry about that. They will come clean or cleaned up compared to what they look like just sitting here. Like this valve cover gasket, it will not be going in the box being sent to you. The hardware might be removed from the valve cover and put into a bag. It's first generation crank pulley from Modern Performance. That is a light pulley right there. If anybody's interested in boost leak testers, I'm still making them. I have 2 4-inch, 2 3-inch, and looks like 7 2-inchers that I still need to go ahead and make. These are what I have in stock right now. I just boxed up a 2-inch for Fabian from, I think, Washington. Then I have 3-inch right here, 3-inch, 3-inch, and then that one 2-inch that I still have left. And I've been seeing people have a lot of success with my boost leak testers, finding leaks everywhere, and the most weirdest leak that I've seen yet is from my 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I sent that out to I can't say his name correctly. There we go, Joshua Solis Robles. I think I'm saying it correctly. His link's in the description below. There's that big bulky ABS module that I told you guys about. That is why I am removing my ABS lines and wiring, because I'm no longer running this and I'm no longer going to be needing these. So that is removed out of the engine bay. These two are removed, and the master cylinder. I do have Johnny Boost's box upstairs, all the brake lines and the brake master that he went ahead and sent me. So Johnny, I do appreciate that. That is upstairs, and I will be doing an unboxing sometime this week. Hopefully I'll be doing it outside, that way I can actually fit the brake lines into my dad's Prius, because I'm gonna tell you right now, that box is like the size of my dad's Prius, bro. Like, look at this thing, I can lay on it. You know what I mean? Like, look. If you're interested in a ABS delete brake line and master kit, Johnny Boost, go over to his Instagram, give him a follow, tell him SkittleFab sent you. If anybody is interested in OEM pistons from a Neon, I have this set, which those are the skirts. They're a little beat up, but not bad, too crazy. Like if you're just trying to rebuild your block, these are a perfect set, and I'll sell them cheap. Also, I have another set here that has less mileage. These ones came out of my Neon. My original 03 Neon SRT-4, and they were pulled at 130,000 miles. So I got those, and I got those. That's from a parts block. So if there's any parts you guys are interested in, just let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up my workshop so I can bring you guys some more videos. I plan on bringing you a video on how to rebuild your fuel pressure regulator from Aeromotive. Like I said earlier, some braided line, nylon line fittings that I purchased from Indie Auto Parts, and I'm also going to be ordering another canister so I can show you guys how to go ahead and build your own upgraded fuel pump canister. I still have the stock steering wheel and the airbag with I don't know, steering column housing where the key goes. South bend stage clutch. Parts over there for the engine bay or engine or suspension or braking system. Let me know. But I'm gonna end this video because I just wanted to make a quick video on parts that I still have for sale down here in the Skittle Fabs workshop for the Caliber or the Neon. Just let me know what you guys need because I got a lot of parts that I just need to part ways with. Oh yeah, I still got the Caliber transmission over there too, so if you're anybody that's interested in that. Until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace!
Peace.